Very grateful for Alkhidmat Foundation for make this graduation possible. After everything we had lost, I felt like we gained another homeland here.
It's really a privilege and honor for me to formally welcome to all of you at the Center Secretariat, Head Office of Alkhidmat Pakistan. Also, Inshallah Ta'ala, Pakistan is your second home, and we will try our best even during your studies, after your studies, and Inshallah one day, Inshallah, we all will be back to our dear homeland, Al-Quds Sharif.
You don't need to thank us. You don't owe us anything. It is our responsibility, and this we consider that this is wajib on us, and it's a very smaller contribution that we can do for you.
You didn't just help us graduate. You help us heal. You remember us that we are not forgotten.
I just want to thank Alkhidmat Foundation for their support and for their generous help and continuous support and help for us. Your efforts have made a real difference in our lives. And for University of Lahore, thank you once again for all the support and help that you gave for us.
This is the organization of volunteers who are working only for the sake of pleasure of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So the doors of Al-Khidmat are open for you also. We will have volunteers from Gaza inshallah, and you will be our ambassadors and volunteers, and we will work together for what? Just to please Allah inshallah ta'ala.